Hi students, welcome back. Good day to all of you. In this video, sir would like to discuss a question from a chapter Permutation and Combination. Okay, let us move on to the question, guys. Okay, first of all, I'm going to read for you the questions. We will try to understand, we try to make ourselves clear before we start to answer the question. Okay, let us start. Okay, the diagram below shows a 7-letter cut. I think you can see yourself, right? There's a 7-letter over here. Okay, 7-letter here. Mineral. Okay. 5 cards are chosen at random to form a code. Okay. By looking at this information, by looking at this statement, right? This statement, what keyword that can help me? The keyword that can help me is the code. Can you see this word code? Code is a type of arrangement. Code is a type of arrangement. So always remember code, password, all this is a type of arrangement. Understand? A type of arrangement. So when they say code means it's automatically arrangement. And arrangement is permutation. Understand? Arrangement is permutation. So not combination, guys. Not combination. It's permutation. Okay. So that is the first thing you must make sure you are clear. So whether you want to use permutation or combination. Okay. Next. Find the probability that the code form contain at least 3 consonants arranged side by side. That means the arrangement, right? The arrangement must have at least 3 consonants side by side. Okay, first of all, you must know what is a consonant here. Okay, we have consonant. Let me highlight for you guys. This is your first consonant. Okay, this is your first consonant, and this is your second consonant. So this is your third consonant. And this is your fourth consonant. I think we have 4 consonant and 3 vowels, right? We have 4 consonant and 3 vowels. So you put it here. We have consonant, we have 4. And vowels, we have 3. Got it? Okay. Now, the question is very simple, class, but you can confused. You must have at least 3 consonants side by side. Okay. Now they are talking about consonant are side by side. Okay. You can have 3 consonant because you must start with the 3. You must start with the 3. At least 3 means 3 and above. 3. You can be 3 or can be 4, right? Understand? Your consonant can be 3 or can be 4. Okay, let me explain first before you jump into a solution. I can have 3 consonant. All the consonant must be side by side because they already mentioned 3 consonant must be arranged side by side. Guys, I can have 4 consonant and all the consonants are side by side also can. I can have 4 consonant. But only 3 are side by side. Side by side. Understand? So this is a small idea. Okay, we can have 3 consonant. All the 3 must be side by side. Or we can have 4 consonant, all side by side. Or we can have 4 consonant, but only 3 are side by side. Because here they already mentioned at least 3 consonant are side by side. Try to understand. At least 3 means inside the 4, at least 3 side by side. The one is not side by side is not the problem. Understand now? So we have 3 type of cases. Okay. By explaining through words is very difficult for you to understand. Maths is we have to see a solution, right? Okay, come. We move on into a solution. So I'm going to break into 3 cases, right? So I put the case 1. I put as a case 1. So where my case 1, I'm going to start with the 3 consonant followed by 2 vowels, right? Okay, why 3 and 2? Because 3 plus 2 will give you a 5 here. Because the question asked to form a 5, right? Okay, I start with the 3 consonant and 2 vowels. So I put my box with the 5. Okay, I create a box with the 5. Okay, so where I'm going to place my 3 consonant here. All the consonant must be side by side. That's why all the 3 are side by side, right? Can you see the green is side by side? Okay, we have how many consonant, guys? We have 4 consonant. I'm going to start fill up here. I have 4 consonant, 4. I already fill up 1 here. When you go to the next one, it's going to be 3. You fill up 1 here. You go to the next, you're going to have 2. Understand? So that's why it's become 4, 3, 2. Understand? Hope that your teacher already explained to you. 4, 3, 2. Okay, done. So this is a consonant done. So I want to move on to this is to my vowels. So vowels, I have three. Can you see a vowels? We have three. So I'm going to start with the three, and after that it's become two. Okay, this is a if your three consonants are side by side. Actually, class, we have another thing, Okay, let me explain here. So, quite interesting this question. Okay, your three can be here also, Your three can be here also. We just want the three side by side. So the three can be anywhere, right? So it can be here or your three can be here. Understand? So that means your three can be at the three, your three consonant, right? Side by side can be at like this, can be in front three or the middle three or the last three. So we have three set of answer. Understand? We have three set of answer. So what I'm going to do for this case one, what I'm going to do for the case one, I straight away want to take my answer here. This is the answer, this is your answer. You can use formula class, up to you. So I'm going to take 4 times 3 times 2 times 3 and times 2. You see what I did? I times all these, just times. No need to waste your time. And then times by another times by 3. Why is 3? Because this one we have 3 patterns. We have 3 patterns where your 3 consonant can be in 3 type. So we have 3 methods, right? Okay, so that's why it's times 3. So wait, let me use my calculator and get me the answer. 4 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So I have 432. Okay, understand? So this is my case 1 done. Okay, I want to go for case 2 now. I want to go for case 2 where my case 2 is 4 consonant with 1 vocal, right? Vowels. Okay, 4 consonants. So I'm going to use the same idea. Okay, this time all my 4 will be here. All the 4 should be side by side now. Okay, so let me start here. My consonant got 4, 3, 2, 1, and vocal we have 3. Okay, and this one also can be arranged in a two methods. So your 4 can be here also, right? Your 4 can be here. So in this case, we have 4, okay, times 3 times 2 times 1, again times 3. And here we only got 2 methods. So we times 2. Understand? So we have 2 methods. So where's your 2? This is your 2, this is your 2 method. Okay. So these 2 actually came from these 2 method. Understand? This is 2. Okay. Same goes to here. This one we have 3 method. So that's why I have a 3 over here. Understand? Okay. So I'm using calculator and then multiply them 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2. I get 144. 144. Okay. Got it. So I already have a case 1 and case 2. Now do you have case 1 and case 2? So we are moving to the case 3. Come. Okay, in case 3, actually, I'm going to use the same idea. 4 consonant and 1 vowels. But here, you should understand back the question. Here they said at least 3 should be side by side. At least 3. That means the at least means you must have compulsory 3 side by side. If you have 4 side by side, also they agree, no problem. But at least 3 must be side by side. So in this case, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to have 4 consonants, but only 3 can be side by side. Listen, So this is my consonant, right? This is a consonant. And another consonant will be other side, not side by side. Because they ask at least 3 must be side by side. So this one is 4, 3, 2, 1, right? This is your consonant go side. So in the middle there, this is for what you call for vocal. Vocal, we have vowels, right? Vowels, we have 3. Vowels, we have 3. So in this case also, you can have another options also. Okay, let me show you what's the second option for you. Yeah, second option here, 1, and your 3 can be this side. Yeah, 3 can be this side. So we have how many options here? We only got 2 pattern, we call it. 4 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 1. And don't forget to times 2 again, because we only got 2 pattern like this. Same pattern, we times 2. So again, I will get 144. So now, hope that you understand this one. And this one is a total of your the answer that they're asking, right? Okay, but here they never ask you to get a number of permutation. They ask to get find the probability, right? Probability. Okay, come. Okay, probability, right, guys? Okay, what is the total probability of getting what you call 5 alphabet arrangement of 5 alphabet? That means it's 5. Sorry, how many alphabet do we have here total? Go back to your mineral. I think mineral we have 7, right? 7. So it's going to be 7P5. So this one is arrangement without any what you call restriction, right? No condition. So it's 7P5. Okay. So your probability, your total, right? Your total will be, you must get the total first. Total is 7P5, right? So come, let me take my calculator and get me 7P5. 7P5. So it's a 2520. Okay, now probability of our question now here, your probability. Our probability is, okay, come. What's the total condition that you managed to get? This is your total, take it all this total. Okay, I'm going to take the total first. 432 plus 144 plus 144, I get 720. The total all this is 720. Understand? So my 720 divide by, because you know, right, your formula of probability, divide by the total. Total is 2520. 2520. So you're going to get, okay, 720 over 2520, you're going to get 2 over 7. This is your answer of your probability. 2 over 7. This is your answer, class. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, 2 over 7. So I show you the full solution. Okay, this is your question and this is your full solution. Okay, so first you have to get, you have to derive them by case so that you can easily understand and get their solution. This is the total. 1, 2, 3. Take all this total. All this total will go to here. The total will go to here. See, this is the total. And this is a total of the choosing of, sorry, not choosing, arrangement of 5 letter. Arrangement of 5 letter from 7. Understand? So you just take a probability and get the answer. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope that you understand this video. Thank you, and see you in next video. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.